harvest is nigh for the tomatoes. There you go. We are harvesting tomatoes. These are like the last harvests. Because we've been harvesting for a while now. See? Because I'm taking this for home, so that's why I'm leaving this. But when they are taking them for business, they are taking them like this. They don't take them with a cover, with a little cup on. I'm telling you, this is just for me to take home to make some delicious foods. Let's get some tomatoes, just like that. And let's get some tomatoes. Let's get all the tomatoes, and just like that. Alright. Alright, so there's plenty of tomatoes to harvest today. So that's it. I'm going to harvest out all the ready tomatoes today. And also the weather is threatening to rain. So I have to do it a bit faster. The skies are crying, threatening to rain. Do you hear them? Let's get some tomatoes. I've broken the branch. Let's get some tomatoes. Woo! This one is bad. Look at it. Bad tomato. It was sitting down and it got bad. It got, they call this what? Bottom rot or something? Yeah, let me remove it. Some more tomatoes to get right here. Okay. So where can we get some tomatoes? Let's get some. Oops. Ouch. Okay. Let me go up. Now look at this. So beautiful. Wow. I'm admiring the close-ups of the tomatoes. This is called a bush of tomatoes. Bush of tomatoes. Ready to be harvested. This is a bush of tomatoes, ready to be harvested. Everywhere I look, I see a bush of tomatoes. These are our tomatoes. They are ready for harvest, as you can see. A bush of tomatoes. I'm taking you along to see the bush of tomatoes, ready for a harvest. We're taking out the red ones and those close to red, because we have a client. We have to give these tomatoes today. You see everybody there? Everyone is harvesting tomatoes in there. they are all underneath all those bushes. Now these are like the last ones of this tomato harvest. The client is taking them, they are sorting them. Those ones which are sizable, they're going here. And those which are very, really tiny, they're going there. And then those ones which are, yeah, not so, yeah, right there. So these are tomatoes being prepared to go out. The client is taking them. This is for the wild ones who never stop dreaming, never stop dreaming. So, these are still raw. A bush of tomatoes.